Drone delivery is a technology-driven method of transporting goods from one location to another using unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or drones. Here's a simplified explanation of how drone delivery works. Order placement. The process begins with a customer placing an order for goods online or through a mobile app. The items to be delivered are selected, and the delivery address is provided, just like with traditional delivery methods. Order processing. Once the order is received, it is processed by the retailer or delivery service provider. The items are prepared for shipment, packaged securely, and labeled with the delivery address and any other necessary information. Drone deployment. When the order is ready for delivery, a drone is dispatched from a nearby distribution center or launch site. The drone is equipped with a payload compartment or cargo bay to carry the package securely during flight. Navigation and routing. The drone is guided to its destination using onboard navigation systems, GPS technology, and pre-programmed flight paths. Advanced drones may also utilize sensors, cameras, and obstacle detection systems to navigate safely and avoid collisions with obstacles such as buildings, trees, and other aircraft. Delivery confirmation. Once the drone reaches the delivery location, it hovers or lands at a designated spot such as a backyard, front porch, or designated landing area. The package is then safely deposited or lowered to the ground using a winch or landing gear. Recipient notification. The recipient is notified of the drone's arrival and the successful delivery of the package. This notification may be sent via SMS, email, or through a mobile app, providing real-time updates on the delivery status. Return to base. After completing the delivery, the drone returns to its base of operations, either autonomously or under remote control. It may follow the same or a different flight path back to the distribution center or recharge station, depending on the operational requirements and mission parameters. After returning from a delivery mission, drones may undergo routine inspections, battery swaps, and software updates to prepare for future flights. Overall, drone delivery offers a fast, efficient, and convenient way to transport goods over short to medium distances, bypassing traffic congestion and infrastructure limitations associated with the traditional ground-based delivery methods. While still in its early stages, drone delivery has the potential to revolutionize logistics and supply chain management in various industries, including e-commerce, healthcare, and emergency response.